Alright, so we got the kids loaded up and we're getting ready to go to our rental and to check on the house, and we figured while we were there we would do some fun things, so see you in a few. Alright guys, we're here. Are you ready to go inside and have some fun?
Yeah!
Yeah? So we brought some boxes. They're in the trunk, and we brought your Nerf gun so we can have a Nerf War inside. Does that sound awesome?
Yeah!
Yeah? Are you ready to do this? Yeah. Alright. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's so weird. We have to get inside. Hurry, get inside. Hurry, quick. That's so weird. Somebody must have left something weird in our yard. I don't know. That was weird. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure it's nothing. It's gone, right? Is it gone? Do you want to run out and look and see if it's gone? Gemma, should we go check and make sure that creepy thing is gone? Let's go make sure. That was weird. I feel like we saw something, but it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I don't see anything. Do you? I don't see anything. I think we're good. I don't know. I think we're good. All right, should we go get the boxes? Are you ready to go get the boxes and bring them inside? Yeah? Okay. Let's go get those boxes. Do you know how to use a Nerf gun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to get everybody?
Yeah.
You got your hat? You love your hat? All right. Guys, so we have these boxes. I have a few more in the car. We're gonna set them up around the house to be like things to protect us, and then we're going to get out the Nerf guns and have a big Nerf War. Does that sound good?
Yeah! Look at this!
All right. You guys ready to build some stuff?
Yeah.
Did some good box folding, guys. Awesome. All right, now when you finish up that last box, you can build like things to hide behind with the boxes, okay?
Do
You
you,
can build-
divide the boxes between us?
Yeah.
I thought you guys could just build them all together.
Oh!
Anybody
so we
can
like,
use it, and
move
you
around
can,
the house?
yeah. So you can, I would make at least one in here, if not two or more. And then you can use the other rooms too if you want, okay? All right.
How about we do grown-up versus kids?
You drive a hard bargain, small human.
What if you get hit 5 times by a dart? So once you get hit 5 times by a dart, you're out.
No!
How about each person for themselves? No teams. You can make friends and alliances if you want.
What a lie!
What do you think? Each man for himself, or kids versus adults?
Kids versus adults. Each man for himself. Oh!
No.
Maybe each man for himself for this round?
No!
Anybody? This. Anybody who wants Gemma can have her.
What if we did 3 rounds? One was every man for himself, one was kids versus parents, and the other was you can team up with people if you want, or just be on your own. Whoever you wanted to.
Pretty sure we don't have time for that. Hey, are we ready to build our thingy-mabobbers?
No!
All right, go build.
Yeah!
It's looking pretty good out here. We have some good spots to use to hide behind. We have some solid building skills. So I made this one, which has a whole corner. Oh yeah. And another spot back here. All right. Now it's time for the next part, not the fun part yet. We are going to decide who will get what weapons. All the children, line up against the wall.
2 people will throw scissors and 1 person will throw a rock.
Try again.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, now just the girls. Zane, move out of the way. Girls, come this way.
Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I think this is what you call being in sync. 3 throws the same. 4.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa! Zoe's our champion! Zoe! Zoe! All right, Zoe, you get to pick the first weapon.
Whoa, your weapon! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait,
No,
what?
he chose walking and he went into paper floor to be attacked. I won.
Okay,
No!
it's okay.
Okay, one more time. What weapon will she choose? Is that my choice? Oh. Put those like to the back of your shirt to help you hold on to them. Okay, scissors. I don't know, you only get to choose one to start. I don't know, what do you think, Dean Morgan? Dean Morgan doesn't care. Yeah, pick one, man. No, she's just choosing. Alright, go your weapon. Fill it out, make sure it has all the stuff in it.
I think they're ready.
Let's do this. Yeah.
All right, Gemma, are you ready?
Not good.
Hands on me. Are we ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, go! To get each other out.
No.
She looks like a burglar. Genevieve, you're gonna get shot. Oh, did you get shot?
My nose got it.
Okay, you better get somebody.
I got Jenna.
You out if you get shot?
No, I'm not out. No.
Oh.
Oh man.
You have to get the Nerfs off the ground.
I don't. I have a single.
Ah, shoot each other. She keeps.
Oh.
No one's even tried to shot me except Dad, but
I did.
oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh. Sneak up around the corner. Gemma likes to run behind the ball.
Let's get more darts so I can shoot. I shot Chichen. I shot Chichen to the
My bullet didn't even come out.
Let's do this.
Oh, he's on a roll. Get him, G. Hurry before somebody sees you.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, you were 19? No! I can't play.
Gosh, guys, this Nerf War is crazy. I had to come back here and hide by Zoe's fort. Hopefully it can protect me if anyone comes back here. They're having so much fun. I was so excited when I found out that this house was going to be empty so we'd be able to come hang out here for a while and do some fun stuff. So I think it's paying off. Hopefully no one comes and shoots me. Get him, Zoe. Get him. Get him. Retreat. 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 they've all been shot about 100 times. Nobody's dying. I don't understand. How does everybody survive the Nerf War? It's bananas.
Oh, kid outside.
Hi, Zayd. Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you doing?
Having no gun.
A Nerf War? How many people did you shoot? Everybody? You shot them all? Do you think you're the winner?
No, I just shot one.
You just shot one person? Okay, you better get back out there and shoot some more. Zayd, shoot someone. Hi, Zayd. Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you doing?
Having no gun.
A Nerf War? How many people did you shoot? Everybody? You shot them all? Do you think you're the winner?
No, I just shot one.
You just shot one person? Okay, you better get back out there and shoot some more. Go, go, go.
I can't either.
Zayd's covering you. Go, go. I'm just checking in on Zoe. She's in her hideout right now. They're all shooting out in the other room. What do you think about this so far?
It's crazy.
It's crazy. How many times do you think you've been shot?
A million.
A million? Are you dead yet?
No.
No. Are you gonna just run out there and go attack everybody now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Get it. He's gonna have to reload eventually. Attack! Everybody run up to him and attack him. Ambush him.
Hi, this War is crazy. It's going on right now. I just wanted to know that I'm a lion. Bye. Oh man!
Hey, you take him. Retreat.
Oh, I'm so close to him.
Oh man!
No, I didn't have him. No, God, I got that. What happens once you die?
I don't know, Zayd's died 30 times and he's still running around.
Mom, what happens when you die?
Hey.
You're out then.
Gigi, you're the winner. Do a victory dance.
Let's play
Go.
Your hair does not count.
Zoe hit me.
No, I didn't shoot you.
Oh.
I got you, Gigi, once.
Oh, Gigi, you've been gotten.
Oh,
No, you have one more time.
She does?
You get hit twice.
No, I got hit twice.
Zayd, you've been hit 3 times.
Dayton, Dad's gonna win, though. You better do something.
I haven't gotten hit.
Don't run back there. Run.
I got
A sacrifice.
You're gone.
I don't know. He
I
only...
got you there. Did I get you?
No, it didn't even fire.
I know it didn't. It's stupid.
Nope, just one.
fully
This
loaded.
should be a tie.
No. I saw you, Dad.
Sorry, Steve. I've been wounded. Give Zoe some more darts.
You got dogs. Oh, you can't do it. need that Nerf dart.
It's right. The gun is right there.
Daddy tried to shoot.
Zoe, are you fully loaded?
No.
Load up while you're waiting.
I'm only missing 2.
There's a ton on the floor though.
I can help you.
Zoe, Zoe, Zoe.
Hey. Dad's coming. Pause.
Go!
I'm on my pause. Remember I said pause.
No, pause lasts for like 2 seconds. You can't.
Okay.
I'm taking winner. Unpause.
Dad, this is my secret stash.
Neither one of us shot.
There we go. Okay. Dayton is the winner. Victory dance. This guy is going to have 2 guns, and he's going to see how many times he can hit Zoe while she dances.
You ready?
Players, are you ready? Dayton, are you ready?
You have to play music.
Zoe, are you ready? On your mark, get set, dance and shoot.
1,
Better dance better than that.
2, 3.
Zoe, you have to like move while you dance, girl. Did you get her every time?
I think I missed twice.
You got
Hey, dancer, are you ready to play?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Just about.
Yes! Yes!
She's warming up. She's not gonna give up.
Yes!
Right, you ready, Gigi?
Yeah!
Good call.
Are you ready?
No.
All right,
Yes!
dancers, ready?
Yes!
Ready, set, go.
You have to count, Gigi.
Okay.
That didn't count. I don't think that should count.
This whole round is garbage.
Dance.
Dance.
It was so cold up the whole
Ooh.
See you dance.
You have to count how many times you got hit. You don't want him to hit you. Gotta dance. Gotta dance to keep him
You said
away.
that you do. You said that you.
That's not dancing.
That's high.
You gotta dance.
Dance.
Gigi. She must have surrendered.
Mine, actually.
Ready to dance? You're gonna have to give your best dance move so he can't shoot you, okay? All right, Dad, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
And me. Don't make it about me. Nobody's counting. He's hit him 4 times.
Oh, that was wild.
I want you to hit me. Hit me! That's cheating. Cheater. Because you're going to use that to dodge the darts.
It's my dancing prop.
So if you're not having...
Ready, set, go.
Well, you hit the box, it still counts. Yeah, did I hit you?
Nope.
No, the box counts. I got 1. Guys, come on. Shoot me. 4.
Ah.
Twist, twist, twist. Zoe, you've been showing off your moves too much. Dad thinks he can do it now. I feel like this Nerf gun war.